Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to connect Facebook page to Instagram. If you're using Facebook page and now you want to connect your page to Instagram account, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you just have to open your Facebook app and here just tap on this menu option. Then go for settings, go for search and here just search for page status. Just search for that and here just tap on this option and here just select manage admins. And here you can see that who is using the admin bots on your Facebook page. From here you can easily manage that. Now let's see how can you connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. Just open your Instagram app, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, and here tap on edit profile. And here you will get the profile information, and here just select page. And here you can see there I have connected to an Instagram or Facebook page. You must have to tap on this option, then tap on continue. Once you have that, just tap on login to Facebook. And here you just have to log in your Facebook account. Once you have logged in, you must have to do some setups. Once you have logged into your Facebook account, your Facebook page will be successfully connected to your Instagram account. Here you must have to select your Facebook page, then tap on this connect option, and here you must have to wait for it. It will take a while, so you must have to wait for it. Once you have that, just go back, and here you will see in page option, you will get your Instagram page name from here, or if you want to disconnect, just tap on this option. So in this way you can easily connect your Facebook page to Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.